Alright guys, we are back. The Spartan saga continues. So we're watching a terrible fail. Basically I tried to recreate the curved Spartan windows, and it was just a pretty obvious fail. So let's take a look at this video's progress on the Spartan, and I need you guys to stick around, subscribe.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jack Douglas.
With
These
Monty
are the
again, he
peaks
just
and
came from
ridges of
Utah.
a mountain range in Arizona, which
Trailer guy, he's my secret connect.
the owners of this
I got
car
eyes at the
trailer
back
are
of my
friends
head.
mine, less than
Yeah.
We're just I'm trying to get everything sealed up because once it's at the Grand Canyon, everything just turns 10 times harder. So I'm just sealing up any gaps where mice could get in, and I'm doing any kind of repairs that I can. We just got two brand new tires at Discount Tire, and all right, so here's a closer look at this. So you see this. Actually, we're putting this wrong. This has to go. This has to go the other way. Side of the window. We're actually gonna spray WD-40 first between this. That way we don't get it on the window and it's actually inside. So we're gonna be able to, as soon as we get this in there, we're gonna be able to just kind of slide it into position back in here, and everything should just kind of, you know, glide a lot smoother. So that's the step we're gonna do for this side. All right, so we blew out all the gas pipes, and it seems like the air pressure did kick out a lot of the dust that was in this pipe. I left this little foam piece, so it blew out. That means it's working. So that's our gas line, and we just need a pretty much quarter, I think. Let's see if this is gonna fit. And we got our brand new galvanized pipe here. So okay, we're just gonna kind of level it more or less the position that we need it. Right there. All right. New pipe is getting threaded in. So let's grab the pipe strap, and we're done with the gas line. We are going to do the pressure test, so we're going to be doing the pressure test. Where's it? Gas line coming in hot. Okay, gas line is installed. Okay, that's good. All right. Now let's install the valve check. This is it. Pressure test gauge. All right, so we're back inside. We're finishing up installing this GFCI. So basically, the GFCI is going to act like the ground, and I'm not even sure if I have to replace all of them, because technically this will protect this whole circuit for this first breaker. And then I just have to add another GFCI for this circuit, another one for this circuit, and another one for this circuit. But I'm gonna add more than that. I'm probably gonna add like 8 GFCIs, but they do consume power. These things consume about 1 watt of electricity. So, I mean, if I added 15 GFCIs, that's 15 watts constantly just being wasted off the grid. But let's keep going. We're just gonna be replacing these outlets. All they're asking for is the outlets. They're not really asking for the switches to be upgraded, which is good. And then anything closer than 6 feet to any sinks or water sources, we do have to put GFCIs on that. So, yep, everything's looking good. Looking good so far. Spartan Executive Mansion coming to life. Oh, Spartan Executive Mansion coming soon. All right, so we got the GFCI somewhat installed. We did get this GFCI tester, so power's on. This thing should have power, and this is going to be able to read it. It'll tell us the voltage. Okay, maybe we gotta reset it. Let me see. Okay, there, we reset it. Green light's on. Plug this thing in. 123 volts. Now we're gonna test it, and it's gonna basically trip the GFCI, and that should tell us that it's working. Okay. All right, does that mean it's working? So, all right guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Basically, it's been a long journey. This is the second addition to the Spartan Saga series. We got more videos coming up. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Leave a comment. Share it. If you're working on your own Spartan, I wish you good luck, and just be patient. Take it slow. And thanks for watching. We'll just wrap up the video. I'm removing the furnace here.